Like, all they need is for one person, they either tell the truth or they're lying, but people will jump on a bandwagon whether it's true or not. So
that shit still is wild to me. I just don't know how people, like, do people not get taught about karma? Like, I don't understand.
You got nothing going on in your life? Like, right. I'm gonna ruin this celebrity's life today. I'm just bored.
They have no idea I exist, but let me just fuck their whole life up. What? I feel like the best way to know that you have power is to make decisions about your own life. You know? There's power in that. Mind your own business. Worry about yourself. Like the 2-year-old in the car. What about yourself?
Some people never realize that, yeah.
That shit just so crazy to me. Just want to know what you guys get out of it.
Nothing.
I want to understand.
Rolling.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Acquired Taste. You know who we are and what we do. Today we're doing the thing again. We're watching BTOB or Born to Beat. Beat Beat. BTOB. Born to Beat.
B2B.
Oh, B2B, excuse me. B2B. It is a 6-member, formerly 7, South Korean boy band formed in 2012 by Cube Entertainment. Beat Beat is the title track for the 4th EP of the same name that was released on February 17th of 2015.
Alright, 2015 vibes.
Alright. B2B.
Beep beep.
Beat Beat.
2015.
Surface. Yes. Wait, what?
You better play the piano, dude.
like they had so much fun.
This was
Oh.
High School Musical list. What was the other one? The beach movie.
What? Mean Girls?
Teen Beach Party
What?
Club, something like that.
That was never a movie?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Teen Beach or something?
Yeah,
I know Teen Beach movie, but that
I
was
think
like
that's a-
60s
No.
vibes. That's why I'm like, I don't know what.
There was another one they did.
With
for
the Jonas
Disney.
Brothers?
Oh, no,
Camp
yeah.
Rock?
Camp Rock, that too.
Oh, Camp Rock, yeah.
Well, that kind of energy, I feel you, like musical.
Yes, I was thinking, I was like, this is very theatrical.
Yeah.
Like the way they're doing everything. It's very theatrical. I thought it was so cute.
Yeah, it's called Teen Beach Movie.
Yeah, but that's the 60s though.
No, they did one in 2013. Disney
No, I'm
did.
not talking about when they did it. I'm talking about it was based in the 60s.
Right, I'm saying they did that not, yeah.
Oh, that movie was based in the 60s.
Yeah, like they
okay.
went to, it's like a 60s theme, like they go back in time, kind
Gotcha.
of thing. And they do, yeah.
They called it a Wet Side Story.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because it was supposed to be surfers and stuff.
Two young
That's
surfers
why.
are swept away by a huge wave, find themselves acting like real life version of the 1960s film Wet Side Story.
Yeah, so it's like, it's kind of like Grease, where like, was it Grease? No, The Outsiders, where like in The Outsiders there was like the greasers, so the bad boys, and then there was like the preppy kids, like the squares, so that's kind of what they have. That's the theme of the movie.
West Side Story on the beach. I never watched it.
Yeah, that's terrible. I don't think that. Well, I think I was thinking about Camp Rock.
Mm.
Camp Rock and High School Musical.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm
Yeah,
That's what it's giving me.
I see it.
Hmm
Where it's like they're trying to be
Cool.
yes. like with the shit, but it's also like, I'm just playing.
I was
I
just
wouldn't
like,
really
this
do
is
this.
the kind of video that like when you're in that group, like you look back and cringe on.
Mm.
Like not the ones where you look back and you're like, you know what, we were cool, but you look
Like
back
2
and you're
PM
just like,
and Heartbreak?
What were you thinking? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
That time though, that's time.
I can't wait to ask Jay Park that. So
So
what was y'all thinking?
I can't.
So who made the song?
I can't
Wait.
wait to
Who
ask
approved it?
Taehyun.
Oh yeah, that too. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Where?
All right.
Alright, let's get into the next one of the day. Today's second video will be Lil Cherry. G. Lil Cherry is a Korean hip hop rapper under Sauce Cartel. She was born in South Korea but moved to Miami when she was 7. Good luck. G is a single that she released
For
in
the
May of
Spice Game,
2021. Lil Cherry said in interviews that it is inspired by Girls' Generation SNSD. Hyoyeon, member of on SNSD, even did a remix for the song. In the music video, you can see her brother, Gold Buddha, in the background.
Okay.
This is Lil Cherry.
Oh wait, she did this music video for. Wait, what?
It was inspired by the girl.
It is inspired by Girls' Generation, which is like a K-pop girl group.
Okay, cool.
Let's go party. Come on, honey, let's go party. Come on, honey, let's go party.
Yes.
Come on, honey, let's go party. Come on, honey, let's go party. Come on, honey, let's go Let's go, better now you get to watch her go. Oh, wait a minute, be you looking like, I just didn't know you mean how you, oh, wait a minute, be you looking like, I just didn't know you mean how you, What's up in this beat, then we get down. Now you're a bunch of girls' generation. It's the Rona, Sasa Roma. You want me so I'm right and leaning. Early before you went dance,
How did she keep a straight face?
Yo, that look is everything right now. I love it. Yes. That is such a dope shoot. Okay. What is going on?
Oh,
Okay.
that was a lot.
She's so interesting.
Very.
Alright. So I like, no, seriously. I like the fact that they weren't afraid to push the creative direction in the video. For starters, I really like the colors that it shows. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it bright, keeping it vibrant. I can't judge anything that I've seen, but I do want to point out that her outfits alone, even without the antics and without like the video behind it, so the outfits alone, like they were tight, like you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Whoever put
very
those-
much.
Whoever put them together, whether it was like the art people or the fashion designer, set design, whoever helped put those like the top down with the heart situation,
Yeah,
or
that was dope.
whoever helped put that together, like I really like.
With
they
the
were-
nails
they were
to
really
match.
dope, like pieces, really dope pieces. Now personally, because I don't know like the lyrics all together and how it all flows together, it's kind of hard for me to like really understand the point of the outfits, other than like maybe the chaos in the video. But at the end of the day, like it was tight. I really did like it, and even when like she started the video and like her stance, like just certain choices were made where she's always, I'm not gonna say she's always, but if she's continually painted in this artistic eye, I feel like this is an image that will really stick with her. As far as like her like rapping ability and like her image and stuff, I'm still trying to catch up. So
I can't get with it.
yeah,
I was like, I can't with it.
I'm like-
People keep saying, "Oh my gosh, she's so great," and then I like every time we're about to listen to her, I'm always expecting something, and then as soon as it starts, I'm just like, "This is why I don't like it."
Yeah, I feel like it low-key sounded like someone produced the beat and then like and kind of just like cut like certain things in, and like she's like, all right, for sure, that's what it is, and then like that's kind of like the song. You know what I'm saying? Not saying she didn't write anything for it, but I feel like she wrote like 2 bars, and then the rest of it is kind of like the song like repeating itself. You know what I'm saying? And again, not that it's a bad thing, but I mean.
I was trying to figure out who she sounded
So
like.
Kyla of EXO says that Lil Cherry herself says that she is tone deaf.
Interesting. Oh yeah.
Who she sounded like it.
Even so, I mean, she's getting the views, so people like it. Some people are into it, but yeah. But I need to see more stuff from Lil Cherry. 'Cause like I said, like I see the art in it, but I'm still trying to get these lyrics down. I'm still trying to figure out like this flow you gotta, like this energy you bring in. Again, it doesn't have to be like super A-B rhyme scheme. I'm just like, I'm trying to like get a grasp on something. So
That's how I felt. I was trying to figure out what the theme was, because it seemed like there was no theme. So it's hard, at least for me, it's hard to like really vibe with something unless as far as the music video goes, because if I know what the words are, I know what the words are, and that's what it is. But the music video and then not knowing what she's saying is kind of like really hard to figure out, unless what is being put in the music video like is obvious, and all that was obvious is she was weird. I liked that though. That part of it I did like I liked her outfits, I liked her looks. Awesome. Don't know where the animated cartoon girls came from. Don't know why they were there. Don't know why the random 3 guys were there. Struggling to do some type of movement or whatever they were doing. But yeah, it was just very all over the place. Not a bad thing, because obviously this is her thing. And people like you. So it works. not for me. But it's cool though, you know. I do want to see more because I want to see, you know, how far she's willing to go, or kind of like, I guess, more of her vibe, because I can always count on seeing weird shit, so that's fine. But I would like to see something that, I guess, has a concise theme, so then I can, you know, I know that you aren't all over the place. Yeah.
Oh, I guess it's on me. I like the outfits and stuff. That's about it. I'm not gonna say nothing.
But yeah, overall, you know, very artistic video. You know what I'm saying? Hope to see more things from Lil Cherry, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna put that. Other than that, we got to see today Lil Cherry, Lil Cherry G, and who's the
I remember BTOB.
Got it. BTOB, Beep. Yeah, throwback.
Yeah.
Yeah, great day for music. Appreciate you guys for coming through. Thank y'all for sending us very interesting music today. Please send us more interesting music. Have a good one. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Be blessed. Hold it down. Send donations to where they need to go. All right. Peace.
Thanks.